Hey guys, and welcome back to Life and Home with the Mahoneys. I am so happy that you took the time to come in and visit with us. Make sure if you have not subscribed to like our channel, subscribe and click the notification bell for notifications on when we post new content. Today we are actually going to share a video of planting some mason jar garden herbs. Those will be grown indoors, and we'll also be doing some garden weeding. We already shared the video of us getting our garden into the ground, getting everything started. And when you have a garden, you really have to make sure that you are weeding to keep the weeds at bay and to keep your plants and everything growing until they're large enough to really hold their own. So we'll do a lot of weeding a little bit later. But right here, I'm just selecting a few herbs that I'm going to have for indoor growing. And so the girls are helping me out do that. So enjoy. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'd love to have you. So you can kind of see where I actually worked. It's starting to rain, so I'm going to kind of do this quickly, but I got all of the sunflowers planted over there, so I have to water those real quick. And then I've got all that weeding done for all of these. That section back there, you can tell I didn't weed. Neighbor cut my grass, his grass. And then I've got my cantaloupe. We're gonna try them in here. We haven't done that before, but I'm just gonna try 2 plants there. And then I've got this area that I didn't get to. So here's a quick area of what I did do right there. And all the greens and beets and radishes and spinach. I'm going to go through and plant some more peas and green beans. All right, guys, I just wanted to add that we are going to go through and plant some more. After weeding, we saw a couple of holes and things that we can fill in, so we'll definitely do that. But here is another part of our gardening process. Thanks so much for sticking it out with me. Take the time, if you would, please just like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.